Here are the 6 denim trends that you might hop onto if you want to look trendy or stylish this 2024. I previously made video about our skinny jeans back in 2024, and for those of you who watch it, you already know that skinny jeans are not going to make a cut in this video. Some of the 6 denim forecast trends could be difficult to pull off or not really your style or my style. I think 1 or 2 out of 6 may not be my style. Don't shoot the messenger, okay? Just doing my job to inform what are the trends out there. Anyways, let's get started and find out the 6 denim trends that you must try. Number 1, let's talk about the rise of utility jeans or workwear jeans. Not sure if those are in the same term, but feel free to comment below if they are not and kindly explain to me the differences. Anyways, utility jeans are functional, practical, and trendy jeans in 2024. They usually have multiple pockets and are typically made with durable fabrics, making them ideal for everyday wear and outdoor activities. We all know that lots of guys out there love having extra pockets to put their essentials in. And owning a pair of utility jeans definitely solves your storage problem while looking stylish. It's a rugged aesthetic, like it offers modern twist on the classical denim look, but it has a touch of an edgy look. I currently cannot find my off-white utility jeans right now, so I'm substituting this for the jogger pants. Anyways, I highly recommend utility jeans this year for those of you who want to step up your denim game. Number 2, I'm gonna say this right now because this is not my style, but I do see some of you out there could pull this off. This is the baggy jeans trend. Yes, it's still a trend this year, and I don't see it dying down soon since the Y2K trend is a thing right now. Streetwear folks love this aesthetic look, and they are the biggest influencers of this trend. Roomy and relaxed, providing comfort all around your legs, which are perfect jeans for those men out there seeking comfort. By the way, does Janko count as baggy jeans? Because back in the day, I used to rock those and I called them elephant jeans instead of baggy jeans. Anyways, if you could pull it off, good for you. Personally, not my style, but I don't hate the trend. Next, we have the hyper stretch jeans. Who doesn't love jeans that are super stretchy? Well, as we all know that we seek for comfort and look at the same time. And hyper stretch jeans do offer those. Keep in mind, I'm talking about stretchy jeans that are not skinny fit or skin tight around your legs, and super stretchy where it doesn't keep its shape. I'm talking about hyper stretch jean where it still has aesthetic jeans look, durable, and enough to stretch to freely move your legs around it in any direction. One brand that I'm aware of or own multiple hyper stretch jeans is from Express. Yes, I own multiple of their jeans with different fits. Initially, I was against it because I had one pair of super stretchy jeans that made me look like I am wearing a pair of leggings. Anyways, this type of jeans usually have a higher percentage of elastane or spandex, like at least 5% to provide the stretch. The higher the number, the stretchier the jeans are. But I would stick with 5 to 10% spandex or elastane fabric to give enough stretch while retaining its shapes. I think most of us men do have a pair of these, and if hyper stretch jeans are not your choice, then we could talk about the next denim trend, which is the opposite of hyper stretch jeans, is the selvage or raw denim jeans. High quality, durability, and sustainability are what raw denim jeans are known for. Raw denim is not new in the market. I mean, they've been around for many years, and it just so happened that you see more men talk about it because we are in this sustainable conscious era. They are rigid. They might need to wear them a couple of times to break in. Definitely not as comfortable as hyper stretch jeans, but it could be. But you know, raw jeans can last you many years or maybe a lifetime. They are called raw or selvage jeans because they're often left unwashed and untreated, which will develop a unique fading and distressing pattern over time as it worn and washed. They are typically expensive though, depending on the brand or manufacturers, but treat it as a luxury investment piece because they are practical and stylish. I think they are trending right now because of its heritage appeal. And once again, people are looking for a more sustainable choice of clothes. Okay, we are now down to the last 2 jeans in this list. We have a classic one that most of us love, and we have something new that may or may not suit your style. Let's first talk about the one that may be hard to pull off. We are talking about the high-waisted jeans or high-rise jeans. We are rolling back to the 80s eras, boys. This is one of the trends right now, as lots of male influencers and brands like J. Crew do wear high-waisted trousers or jeans. It's appealing to look because it accentuates the waist and it creates an illusion that elongates the legs. Definitely gives a classic vibe or retro vibe, you must say. Once again, this is not very appealing pair of jeans for many of us out there, but it's definitely a cool looking trend if you could pull it off properly. I love this type of jeans because it associates with the style that I like, which is a vintage or retro vibe. I happen to look the new lookbook of J. Crew, and man, they are rocking the vintage vibe look so well. So if you're in the market to try some classic vintage vibe look, definitely give this one a shot. All right, as for the last one, we have slim fit jeans. Look, don't be surprised if this part of the list is pretty much the safest trend right now that I know lots of guys could get into. I was battling between straight jeans and slim fit jeans, but I found out that many people search for slim fit jeans. I mean, slim fit jeans gives a sleek and modern silhouette look that appeals to many men. They provide a tailored look without being overly tight, making them a versatile choice for various occasions. They are simply flattering for men of all body types. I mean, nothing much to say about the slim fit jeans because it's been around, but if you haven't owned a pair of the slim fit jeans or haven't tried, consider adding a pair of slim fit jeans in your closet because it's simply stylish, versatile, and perfect for guys, for many guys out there, not unless you have gigantic thighs. Well, guys, those are the 6 denim trends that you might want to consider 2024. Feel free to comment below which trend are you leaning the most, or which one you haven't tried but want to try. Comment below and let me know. As always, stay stylish and stay amazing. You have a good day. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.